Sa ibang bansa, isang makabuluhang coastal cleanup drive sa Bangsen Beach, Thailand, ang isinagawa ng Jesus Christ Society. Bit-bit ang mensaheng ayusin natin ang Pilipinas. Ang aktibidad, pinangunahan ng parehong grupo ni Pastor Apollo C. Kibuloy, katuwang ang mga Duterte supporters mula sa Green Rice Action Movement, Thailand. Layo nitong itaguyod ang disiplina, malasakit sa kalikasan at tunay na pagbabago para sa bayan. Si Anisa de Guzman magbabalita.
Nagsagawa ng Coastal Cleanup Drive sa Bangsen Beach dito sa Thailand ang Jesus Christ Society. Dala ang mensaheng ayusin natin ang Pilipinas ni Pastor Apollo C. Kibuloy. Kasama ang mga Duterte supporters sa panawagang Bring Him Home ng Green Rice Movement. Nagpahayag ng matibay na suporta ang Jesus Christ Society sa senatorial bid ni Pastor Apollo Kibuloy sa pamamagitan ng malawakang Coastal Cleanup Drive. Ang 5 kilometrong kahabaan ng Bangsen Beach ay binaybay ng mga volunteer para sa isang malawakang cleanup drive na layuning panatilihing malinis ang baybayin at mapangalagaan ang kalikasan. Sa kabila ng pagiging popular na destinasyon ng mga turista, nananatili ang pangangailangang panatilihin ang kalinisan ng beach upang maprotektahan ang kalikasan at masiguro ang kabuhayan ng mga local vendors. Layunin ng proyekto na mapababa ang basurang naiipon sa baybayin tulad ng mga food packs, plastic, bote at mga takip ng inumin, mga bagay na labis na nakakasira sa ating karagatan. Si Sukunya Surio kasama ang iba pang miyembro ng KOJC sa Thailand ay nagpahayag ng kanilang kasiyahan na makapaglingkod sa komunidad ayon sa mga aral ni Pastor Apollo.
สวัสดีค่ะดิฉันเนี่ยเป็นสมาชิกของ KOJC ประเทศไทยนะคะ Now we are cleaning in Bangsan Pattaya. We are very happy, Pastor, that we will sacrifice for you everything that sweat and everything we can sacrifice for you only, Father. We love you, Pastor. Take care and see you soon, Pastor. We love you.
ก่อนอื่นรู้สึกภูมิใจมากๆค่ะที่ได้เป็นสมาชิกของในที่แห่งนี้นะคะโดยมีคุณพ่อเนี่ยสอนมาโดยตลอดในเรื่องของความสะอาดค่ะเราก็ได้มาลงมือทำจริงที่ชายหาดบางแสนค่ะเราก็ได้มาทำความสะอาดณชายหาดณที่แห่งนี้ก็รู้สึกดีใจแล้วก็ขอบคุณมากๆค่ะที่สอนเราเกี่ยวกับความสะอาดค่ะ
ก็ดีใจมากครับที่ได้มาเข้าร่วมกิจกรรมที่ปัสเตอร์เป็นคนตั้งขึ้นนั่นก็คือการทำความสะอาดชายหาดครับเพื่อที่จะทำให้สิ่งแวดล้อมในประเทศไทยน่าอยู่แล้วก็หวังว่าพี่น้องชาวไทยทุกๆคนไม่ใช่แค่คนฟิลิปปินส์ที่มาทำในวันนี้แต่ว่าพี่น้องชาวไทยทุกๆคนจะมีส่วนร่วมที่จะหลังจากที่เราทำความสะอาดแล้วเนี่ยจะสามารถรักษาความสะอาดนี้ได้ต่อไปครับ
Maging si Chuti Mavi, isang Thai national na nagtatrabaho sa beach maintenance, ay nagpaabot ng pasasalamat sa nasabing aktibidad.
ก็รู้สึกดีนะคะยินดีต้อนรับทุกคณะทุกหน่วยงานค่ะที่เห็นสภาพชายหาดเนี่ยสะอาดขอบคุณมากๆค่ะ
May payo rin ang batang sinatiwat, 7 taong gulang, hinggil sa tamang pagtatapon ng basura.
Not just any trash bin, like there has to be recycling, whatever you call it, like plastic and cans and stuff.
Samantala, ang mga OFW at Duterte supporters ay nagbigay ng mensahe kung bakit sila lumahok sa programang ito. Hindi lamang ito pagpapahayag ng pag-asa na sana'y makauwi na si dating Pangulong Duterte, kundi ang pagpapatuloy ng isang legasiyang naglalayong itaguyod ang isang matatag na Pilipinas.
Andito kami kasama ang asawa ko para suportahan yung programa na ginagawa namin na cleanup drive para suportahan bring back former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte.
I feel inspired by our former President Rodrigo Duterte. That is why we are so motivated to do this, to help the coastal area in Thailand. And we are hoping that soon makakauwi na po ang ating former President Rodrigo Duterte. And we are here to fully support him all the way.
Proud kasi hindi lang kami nakatulong sa Pilipinas kundi dito rin sa mga tao dito. Kaya naming mag-extend ng help kahit hindi naman tayo taga rito, di ba? So again, following the lang siguro ni PRD.
It was a long time project, but ngayon lang ito na-implement. It's because we have the very supportive community of KOJC, and at the same time, we wanted to live up to the legacy of FPRRD rather, Tatay Digong, na he was able to clean up the Manila Bay. For so long at time, Manila Bay was really, let's just say, uninhabitable. No? The Boracay beaches, nung tumaas yung chloroform ba yun? So it was Tatay Digong's effort. No? He cleaned up the Boracay beaches, and at the same time, the Ilog Pasig. During his time, he was able to clean up this dirty source of water. So we wanted to live up the legacy of Tatay Digong of cleaning up our coastal area. So here in Thailand, even though we're abroad, we wanted to let the people see that Tatay Digong's legacy will live forever, not just in the Philippines but anywhere in the world.
Tanawagan din sila na sana'y mas marami pang makilahok sa ganitong mga gawain para sa kinabukasan.
So I am encouraging everyone, inviting everyone to join us. We are really hoping that you could also join us. Hindi lang naman ito para sa Pilipinas, kundi para ito sa buong bansa. Sabihin natin na para sa buong mundo. Kasi sabihin natin na ay dyan lang yan, just one shot. No, this will be a regular cleanup drive. So for those Filipinos na nandito sa Thailand, you can also help us. And for those Filipinos na may mga na-organize na din ng mga coastal cleanup sa different countries and iba't ibang panig ng Pilipinas, please do help so. Kasi hindi para sa atin ito, para sa mga kabataan in the future.
Contact nyo lang kami. Actually, may Facebook at saka may website naman dito sa yung Green Rice Movement dito sa Thailand. So, don't hesitate na mag-fill up sa form din namin kasi may contact form naman kami dito. So, let us know. Sama-sama tayo.
Masigasig at puno ng pag-asa ang mga volunteers. Makikita ito sa kanilang mga mukha. Hiling nila na sa pamamagitan ng mabubuting gawa, dinggin ng amang makapangyarihan ang kanilang panalangin na sana'y maibalik na sa Pilipinas ang dating Pangulong Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Ako si Anissa de Guzman, ang inyong Global Citizen Correspondent para sa Diyos at sa Pilipinas nating mahal. Sawadee ka.